How to bold text in Telegram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, in Telegram you can type in a different fonts. Say for example, you can type in text in bold or in italic, but for some of you, in some cases, it will not work. Say for example, this is the bold code in Telegram. When I hit enter, it's supposed to give me bold text, but it doesn't appear. Say for example, the second bold text code is this one, and it also doesn't appear as bold text. So what you need to do in this case is, if these both ways worked for you, then that's great. If they don't, then you need to go ahead, open up any browser you have and search for bold text generator and choose any website from these, as they all work the same way and do the same job. And basically what you need to do here is you need to type in your text that you want to send to make bold, and the website will automatically give you like a list of bold text that you can choose from. So go ahead and choose whichever one you want. Say for example, I'm going to choose this simple one. Go ahead and copy it, and then go back to Telegram and paste it here, and there you have it. The text is now bold. And the other two ways also work, but in some cases they don't. So you just have to use this one right here, because it always works. So that was it for this video. That's how you can write bold text in Telegram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.